What's up, everybody? It's Ambitious Z, and I'm back at it again with the CRZ. This time I'm chasing down a boost leak because I was data logging yesterday, and I lost boost when I was up to 6 psi. I was around 5.5 going into 6, and it just dropped. This kit is supposed to make 8 psi, and yeah, I never made it to there. So I heard like an air leak too, so I'm gonna try to find that somewhere. I checked all up here already, and I tightened a couple of the hose clamps and all of that, and checked all the vacuum line and tidied up some of the stuff. So up here is good. I gotta remove my front bumper and check the charge pipes to the intercooler down there, and hopefully it's all tight. Maybe it might be loose because I remember one of the pipings down there a while ago was loose on the driver's side, so that might have blown off when I was up in the RPMs. But other than that, I also found another problem. My headlight was flickering, right? And I was looking at it up close, and I seen smoke coming from it. So I was like, yo, what's up with that? So I ended up taking out the cap to the bulb, and to my surprise, this thing was going bad. It kind of caught fire. Look, like melted on the inside. I mean, good thing I caught it in time, because it would have sucked if I was driving on the highway and the side of my car is just on fire because of this. But tomorrow I'm going to go to the junkyard, to this local junkyard that has 2 CRZs, and I'm going to go maybe I'll just rip the pair so I can have a spare just in case. And that'll be the next project. But other than that, I'm going to rip up my front bumper and check those pipings down there and the clamps, and hopefully that solves my boost leak. Alright, so a little update on how to take off the bumper while I'm at it. There's 2 screws on the side, or clips, depending on what you use, on the side. So there's 4. So 2 over there, 2 over here, 4. And then there'll be 8 clips over here, then like 2, probably 10. No, 8 clips and 2 like screws. I have like flush mounts, so it's just this and that I have to take off. So was it 14 in total? So it's 10 up here, then there's 2 on each side, so 14. And you should be able to take off the bumper. All you gotta do is just pull from the side and just pull forward. And down there'll probably be a couple clips if you are running any of the shroud down there. I think I zip tied mine, and maybe there's some clips, I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna pull the whole bumper off. I'm just gonna pull it forward just enough so I can see the clamps on my intercooler. As you guys can see, I got my front bumper off. Like I said, I'm not taking the whole thing because there is some clips on the bottom to the bottom shroud. I'm not gonna take that off, but my intercooler piping, couplers, and clamps are right there, so I can reach them. I'm gonna just check all those, and I should be good. Hopefully they're not loose, but if they are, I'll just tighten them up and then I'll put everything back together. Okay guys, I just checked my belt tension on my supercharger and it's all good. I checked the clamp over there and that one's all good. So everything's all set now. Hopefully there's no more boost leak. I kind of got sidetracked and I end up cleaning the crap out of my wheel. Well, not cleaning the crap, I just wiped it, but yeah, finally clean. Some people don't clean the inside dish of their wheel. I do. I mean, there's still some stuff, but I only wiped it with a rag. But yeah, it's all good now. See how my wheel's dirty? See the inside? It's not that dirty, but to my standard it is. I always wanted to do this. Ready? It's all nice and clean. Well, cleaner. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's little project. All my pipings and vacuum lines all checked and all fixed. Everything's all tightened. My exhaust bolt was actually loose, so I tightened that up, and that's all good now. And yeah, I tidied up everything on the front end, tensioned my belt, and cleaned my wheels. Well, just the front. And the car should be all good now. Other than my stupid headlight. Well, it's not even the headlight, it's the igniter. I gotta go pick up that part tomorrow. But once I get that, everything's all set. But until then, guys, I'll see you next time.